Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should open the PDF in an editor that actually edits text, otherwise you can't change font size. Once open, make a backup copy. This prevents accidental loss. If the PDF is scanned, perform OCR to create an editable text layer, otherwise you will only edit images. Next, choose the text or edit tool so you can select paragraphs. Make sure you understand whether font is embedded or system-based, because that changes how you adjust size and substitution behavior. You now select the specific text you want to change, either a single field or a full paragraph. Then, change the font size using the editor's size box. Type an exact number like 12 or 14. 5, or tap the up/down controls for small increments. This preserves layout. Because fonts differ, you may need to toggle font substitution if the original font isn't available. Once done, inspect line spacing and reflow, since larger text can push lines and break layout across pages. Finish by saving your edited PDF under a new name so the original remains intact. If recipients just need to view, export a flattened PDF to lock changes. However, preserve an editable copy if you plan revisions. If a font size change doesn't apply, verify the font is embedded or available. Missing fonts force substitution and ignore sizing. As a last resort, convert the text to outlines to preserve appearance, knowing you will no longer be able to edit the text content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.